Hello, and welcome to Talk Nerdy to Me. Today, we're talking about something deceptively simple but incredibly powerful tags for cloud resources. Think of tags as sticky notes for your cloud environment. They don't change how your resources work, but they give you clarity, control, and a whole lot of insight. If you're managing costs, keeping things secure, or just trying to stay sane while navigating a complex cloud setup, tags are your new best friend. Imagine this. You're scrolling through your cloud dashboard and there's a virtual machine running. Who owns it? What's it for? Why is it costing you so much? Tags help answer those questions. For example, a tag like Owner Bob makes it clear who to call, and a tag like Environment Testing tells you it's probably okay to shut it down after hours. Let's dive into how tags can revolutionize FinOps, security, and operations. First, let's talk FinOps, the practice of managing cloud costs effectively. By tagging resources with CostCenter HR or project website launch, you can track every penny. Imagine deploying extra resources for a marketing campaign and tagging them with campaign Q4 push. At the end of the quarter, you can see exactly what that campaign cost, and more importantly, make sure those resources are shut down when they're no longer needed. Now, on to security. Tags make auditing and compliance much easier. If you tag resources handling sensitive data with compliance HIPAA, your security team can focus on protecting those first. If a storage bucket is open to the internet but doesn't have an owner tag, you can flag it immediately. Tags simplify the chaos of managing hundreds or even thousands of resources. By grouping resources with tags like App CRM, you can easily troubleshoot, upgrade, or scale all the components of your CRM system. Operational tags also unlock incredible automation. Picture this. You tag non-production resources with AvailabilityPeriod 9 a.m. 5 p.m. and automate their shutdown after hours. Imagine saving money while sipping your Sunday coffee. Sounds great, right? One of my favorites is the criticality tag. When disaster strikes, you can prioritize resources tagged criticality high for recovery while leaving lower priority ones for later. It's like being a triage nurse for your cloud. Tags are amazing, but they only work if you have a plan. Define a tagging policy. Decide which tags are mandatory, like Owner, Environment, and CostCenter. Share this across teams. Enforce tags. Use tools like Azure Policy or OCI tag defaults to ensure tags are applied when resources are created. Automate tagging. If managing tags manually feels like herding cats, automate it. Next, audit your tags regularly. Let's bring it all together with a real-world example. Imagine your cloud environment spans multiple teams and projects, with hundreds of resources in Azure and OCI. At the end of the month, your FinOps team generates a report showing exactly how much each team spent. Meanwhile, the operations team automates scaling and maintenance schedules based on availability period and criticality tags, saving money and improving reliability. Tags might not be flashy, but they're the unsung heroes of cloud management. They give you the power to control costs, secure your environment, and streamline operations. So, if your cloud feels chaotic, start tagging. It's the first step to turning that chaos into clarity. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Talk Nerdy to Me. If you enjoyed this tag-tastic discussion, share it with your team or network. Stay curious, stay clever, and as always, talk nerdy to me. See you next time.